of the day. Hello everyone, here are very easy word of the day for kids to learn. So let's get started. Word of the day is honesty, meaning without cheating or lying. Word of the day is patience, meaning the quality of being able to stay calm and not get angry. Word of the day is achievement, meaning a thing done successfully with effort, skill, or courage. Word of the day is fortunate, meaning receiving a good thing that was uncertain or unexpected. Word of the day is wisdom, meaning the quality of having experience and knowledge. Word of the day is kindness, meaning the quality of being friendly, generous, and considerate. Word of the day is awareness, meaning knowledge or perception of a situation or fact. Word of the day is worship, meaning a form of religious practice with its creed and ritual. Word of the day is loyalty, meaning the state or quality of being loyal. Word of the day is knowledge, meaning facts, information, and skills acquired through experience or education.